I'm Chema Cabrero, and I'm in charge of the Military Vehicle Modeling Department at Acrylicos Vallejo. We are starting a series of videos showing the complete painting process and weathering effects on the new Vallejo scenic references. These references are ideal for creating small scenes with figures or small-size vehicles in 1/35th scale. Today, we present the front section of a destroyed KUBELWAGEN. This reference is cast in a very light exclusive resin and with a high level of detail, representing elements of the body, headlights and no-tech light, tow hooks and windshield frame. The vignette allows for two figures to be based at the convenience of the modeler. In this second part, we will show the painting process for the vehicle section completing the scene. We will start by applying a coat of primer, Dunkelgelb 73604, which is ideal as a base color for the vehicle. Vallejo primers are formulated for direct use with an airbrush. Apply a couple of coats until the model is completely covered. The final result should be uniform and cover all the details. We are going to create volume and lighting effects on the vehicle. We use an initial mix of the base tone with Model Air Beige 71074 for the first highlight. We will spray our mixture from above, looking for a zenithal highlight effect, and keeping the darker tones in the lower part of the vehicle. If we increase the proportion for the lighter tone, we obtain a brighter shade that is then applied as a final light effect. We will use an even lighter shade, Model Air Off-White 71.270, to recreate the lighter highlights. Our model at this stage. We should try to keep all color transitions smooth. Do not worry about excessive contrasts, as the following effects will balance the tones while subtly preserving the volume effects. Other elements, such as the tire rubber, were painted using a Model Air reference. Despite its low-density formulation, Model Air is particularly useful due to its fluidity, which easily covers the tires. We will now use several references from the model wash range to reproduce the effects of accumulated dirt and dust. The washes allow us to quickly reproduce very realistic results, adding depth and nuance to the model. We can create shadow effects using the darker base color diluted with Vallejo airbrush thinner. Now we will create the chipped paint and rusty metal effects using the Model Air RLM Dark Brown 71.042 reference with a brush. We should not overdo this effect, and it should be used in the most appropriate places, such as edges or impact areas like the left fender. It is time to check the appearance of the model at the end of this stage, in case we need to correct some areas. We will now apply some pigments to reproduce the effects of accumulated dust and dirt. Through this process, we integrate the vehicle with the terrain and its chromatic palette in a harmonious and natural way. This is the final aspect of the model at the end of this stage. Both finishes, tones, and textures must provide a balanced appearance. The model is finished and ready to place the figures and accessories of our choice.